Adelaide and we're on the beach. We're just gonna spend the weekend here. I'm so excited to be here. Yeah, we're just gonna watch the sunset right now. And yeah, see ya. Good morning! We are going to Adelaide Hills this morning. We're waiting for 2 other friends and then we're gonna take the bus to go. So yeah. Where are we? We're in the city.
We're in Atoya.
We are going out tonight. Woohoo! Yes.
Pull the key out the ignition. Run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last. Keep talking all your shit. Wondering how all this started. You left me broken hearted. You flip my words, yeah, this love hurts. Keep talking all your shit. Oh, keep talking all your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit, baby. You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor, never been sicker. I'm not sober with you no more. With you no more, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Telling me you want me bad, but I know it's all an act. Something you say to get you away. Keep talking all your shit. You say you got it all, but then you start to fall down. You say no fair, I never cared. Keep talking all your shit. Oh, keep talking all your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit, baby. You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor, never been sicker. I'm not sober with you no more. With you no more. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I know what you're doing, baby, 'cause I'm not stupid. You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor, never been sicker. I'm not sober with you no more.
Hey guys, I'm at the airport and I'm about to head back to Brisbane, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you enjoyed watching. Bye!
Anytime you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see me.